How long does furnace cleaning take? For most single furnace homes, a few hours from start to finish. That covers setup, the furnace itself, every duct run and diffuser, and cleanup on the way out. What moves that number is your house, not our schedule. Square footage, the number of vents and diffusers. Whether you've got air conditioning, a second furnace, or a zone system, each one adds real work and real time. A system that hasn't been touched in years takes longer than one on a regular cycle, and we'd rather take the time than rush it. A proper clean of the whole system is the entire point. You'll get a time estimate when you book. Tell us how many furnaces you've got, and we'll tell you what to plan for. Call 780-932-7337 or read every price we charge at homeprosgroup.com. Home Pros Group, quality you can trust.